Hello guys, welcome back to Yalan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Stripe Invoice tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, we'll be showing you how to create an invoice the beginner friendly way. So first thing we need to do here is we need to open up any browser, go to stripe.com and just basically log in into your account. Now, once you log in into your account, you'll be redirected first to the home page here. So immediately, where do you actually see your invoices? So at the left section here, we have home, payments, balances, customers, and billing. And here we don't see the invoices because currently it's actually quite hidden. So in this case, we also have the recent option here. So if you're able to access invoice before, then you'll be able to see it here. But for now, if you're pretty new, just click on more. And from here, click on invoices. Now under invoices, what we need to do is we need to start creating our invoice. Like for example, we have the option to create a test invoice if you want to create one, and basically just try using or try creating them as an example or just testing it out. Now also have the option here to basically customize your invoices. Now in this case, let's go ahead and go to customize template here. And from here, we have a few things that we need to edit. Like for example, the general information. So that includes the branding. So change how your invoices, emails, receipt, and payment page look in branding settings. Also have the business information, invoice numbering. So we could either use the sequentially for each customer or sequentially across your account. Now we also have the invoice PDF, so include PDF links and attachments on invoice, emails, and payment page, and a lot more here. So go ahead and go to all the details that you have here, and from there you should be good regarding your general information or settings on your invoice. Now we also have the tax information, so we need to verify the ID type here, and as well as the information about your ID. Now, once you were able to add this one, you can go ahead and go to templates here. Now, under templates, what we need to do is we need to first name our template. Like for example, I want to say it is a test invoice, and from here, we'll be able to see a preview. So at the right side here, it is a preview of our template. Now at the left side, we also have the line item grouping. So it actually determines when and how to group and hide lines items on invoice. So if you want to learn more about this one, click on the learn more button. And from here, you can go ahead and read further regarding line item grouping. Now in this case, I just use a sample here so that I'll be able to show it. Now in this case, let's go ahead and click on the create template at the bottom right. Now if you want to test invoice, you could go back into the invoice section, and from here click on create test invoice. Now from here, we need to add a company or an account name. So let's go ahead and just enter a company name here, and from here let's go ahead and click on add name. Now in this case, it's going to give us this preview here. So currently this is the invoice PDF. We have the email here and the payment page as well. Now in here, we also have the option to hide a preview or review invoice. Now here we have the item section. So for example, we want to maybe say it is a toy. So in this case, we want to add toy as a one-time item here, and we want to add the quantity as well. So let's get it is actually 1. The price is going to be 10, and from here, just click on save at the bottom right. Now we also have the option to add other items, add shipping if you need. Like for example, we want to maybe add your shipping, but we also have the option to add coupons if you want to as well, and the option to add tax as well here. But if you want to delete those options, just click on the X next to it, and from here you'll be able to remove it. Now you also have the option here to collect tax automatically, but for you to use this one, you need to activate Stripe tax to automatically calculate and collect the right amount for tax. Now here we have the payment collection. So we have the option to request payment and the date for it. So you can go ahead and choose a due date, tomorrow, 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. Now in here we have the payment methods. If you click on manage payment methods, you'll be able to choose what payment methods is actually available on this invoice. Now we also have the delivery option here. So we have the option to email, invoice to customer or to do not email customer. Now in here we also have the option to include link to online payment page if you want that, and the additional options here, which is a memo, a footer, and a custom field if you want those. Now in this case we want to remove those, and from here we also have the option for tax ID, the PDF page size here. So currently it is going to be set to a letter, but if you want to use A4 here, choose A4. Now, if you already have a template, you could go ahead and choose the select a template option here. And from here, you could go ahead and choose your template. But for now, go ahead and review your invoice. So at the top right, let's go ahead and click on review invoice. And from here, we have the option to send the following invoice to the following user. Now, for example, invoice can't be edited after they've been paid. Now, in this case, we have the CC option. Let's go ahead and click on send invoice. And we were able to successfully send this invoice to that user as a test. As you can see, when we go back to invoice here, you'll be able to see that this invoice is actually open, the invoice number, customer email, the due date, and the created date as well. If you want to download a PDF copy of it, just click on download PDF. Now for you to send live invoice, you need to change this to live. So currently, since I'm only in test mode, I'll only be able to create test invoice. Now in this case, you need to activate your account for you to basically send live invoice, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.